Outliers are challenging. Sometimes they are the observations that you're more interested in. Sometimes you have to tolerate them because they are indeed possible occurrences in your data, and sometimes you're better without them. Feature Engine provides several methods to identify outliers using, for example, the interquartile range proximity rule, the mean and the standard deviation, the median absolute deviation, or percentiles. And after identifying those potential outliers, you can either remove them or replace them with permitted values, all out of the box. So to my knowledge, this is the only library to date that has inbuilt functionality to tackle outliers for machine learning. So go ahead and check it out. Let us know what you think in the comments. And if you're a fan of Feature Engine, please like or share this video and help us spread the word. Thank you.